Okay, here's number 10 in the homework. It says a parabolic arch supports a bridge. The arch is 200 meters wide at its base and 4 meters tall in the middle. Show this information on a graph by placing the vertex on the y-axis so that the x-axis represents the base of the arch. The vertex on the y-axis, and I know it's 4 meters tall, so that would be 4. 200 meters wide, so I know it has to be 100 meters this way and 100 meters this way. Total distance should be 200. And, oh, that's an ugly parabola. Maybe something like that would be okay. And then they're saying how high is a point on the arch that is 20 meters horizontally from one end. So I guess what they're saying is if you go 20 meters this way and 20 meters this way, and you kind of look up, these heights, they should be the same, right? So they're saying, what is this height equal to? We're going to have to come up with an equation for this. Luckily, we have the x-intercepts, right? So imagine if this x is negative 100. Remember how in class we talked about how we can move it over to the other side? And then this is one of our bracketed terms. And we can do the same thing here. And this is another one of our bracketed terms. So our equation so far is this: x plus 100, x minus 100. We don't know our a value and we need to find it, but we do know the coordinates of our vertex to be 0, 4. So I can sub in 0 for x and 4 for y. And that will allow me to determine a. So 0 plus 100 is just 100. 0 minus 100 is just minus 100. And 4 equals a. This should be negative 10,000, I believe. Yeah, I'm not crazy. It's negative 10,000. And then we can move that negative 10,000 over by dividing both sides by negative 10,000. And that's our a value. So our equation looks like this right now. 4 over negative 10,000 x plus 100, x minus 100. And it might even be better to put this as a decimal. Just so we're not confusing anybody. And as a decimal, that would be negative 0.123. 123. Oh no, what have I done? Let's make sure I'm getting this right. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, 4. Too many. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. Okay. And now we want to figure out what that height is when x is equal to either 80 or negative 80. It doesn't really make a difference because we're going to get the same height. So why don't we just pick 80 to make it easy? Let's see what the height is going to be. Oh, I got to pause the video here for a second. I will be back. Can I pause? I don't even know if I can pause. Anyways, I'll be back. Okay. I got a video going. So Give me a sec. I'm almost wrapped this up. Okay, so let's throw 80 in our equation. And let's get this guy solved. 80 plus 100 is 180. 80 take away 100 is negative 20. Let's punch all this in a calculator. And we should get 1.44 meters. So it looks like that height is not a question mark anymore. It's 1.44 meters.